In today's video, I'm going to show you how to index your website using Search Console and then talk about why it's important to do so. So let's get started. Once typed in, it should be the very first listing that shows up in Google. If not, just revise the way that you typed it in. So we're going to go in to click on Search Console. If you've never been here before, you may have to log in, but since I do have a Search Console account, I will just click Get Started Now. And as we go in, you can see here is the front page of the website. And as we're in the website, what we're going to do is I'm going to go to my website. I'm going to click, if you have just your website that you're hosting, it should just be one website here. Like myself, I'm an agency, so I do host a couple of different or support a couple of different websites. So as you can tell, there's a couple of different website names there. But what I'm going to do is I'm going to go and I'm going to highlight my website and make sure that information is there. And then we're going to simply go to URL inspection. I'm going to click on the URL inspection that's associated with my URL. And then we're going to have a page that comes up. And with this page, Google's going to show you information here about your URL, if your pages have been indexed, and then they'll give you some information here about mobile usability, breadcrumbs, and then site link search box. This is a good idea to come in and check this very often because you could have errors on your website that's keeping it from being indexed. But what we're going to do now is we're going to go over to the Request Indexing tab, and I'm going to click Request Indexing. And as you can tell, this is indexing right now, and Google's telling us it's testing if live URL can be indexed. It may take a minute or two. So during this time, I'm going to talk about why this is important. Indexing through Google Search Console, it's a must, right? Not only does it help Google discover and crawl your site, but it also allows you to track its performance in search results and identify any issues that might be holding it back. Plus, it's an easy way to get valuable insight into how people are finding and interacting with your website through search. And once the indexing is finished, Google will give you a message that tells you the URL was added priority to crawl, and submitting a page multiple times which will not change its queue in position priority. We'll click Got It. And our website is in line for Google to index. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please don't forget to like, share, or leave a comment below. Also, don't forget to subscribe so you can stay up to date on our latest tutorials. That's it for now. Have a great day.